104.1 Today FM. It is the Jimmy Nath Show. 1 hour, 54 minutes into this.
Celebrating the power of hugs. This is Today FM's Jimmy and Nath for breakfast. And this is the ultimate hug-off.
I think I need a hug. Jim, how about this? We are almost 2 hours into a 3-hour hug-off challenge, the ultimate hug-off challenge. We've got 8 contestants. They are hugging for 3 hours. The reason we came up with this is because in New Zealand, they've done a cuddle crackdown at airports, and you can't cuddle for longer than 3 minutes.
Banning the hug at airports. No, not here. We embrace the hug.
We embrace the hug. We are, as a radio show, we're a big warm hug, baby.
If Jimmy and Nath was a thing that you did, it'd be a hug.
Now, here's the thing. Our 4 couples outside, or our 4 pairs, we've got Megan and Karen, mother and daughter. Jason and Jess, they're together with some kids. They got been together for 4 years. Steph and Jared, couple of tradies on the side. I love that. Steph is Jared's boss. And then we've got Meg and Ryan, the complete strangers. All of them have been hugging for 2 hours. It is now time for a little bit of a challenge, Jim, as we bring in to the show right now, not 1, but 2 guests. You'll meet the second one soon from Raptor Reptiles in Sydney. Please welcome Christian. Hello, Christian.
Thank you very much for having us, guys. Appreciate it.
Well, Christian, thank you for being in here. And let me tell you, our contestants are shitting themselves because, Christian, would you like to tell everybody, our contestants and also Sydney, what is in front of you, or who, rather, is in front of you right now?
Yeah, well, look, I am pretty scary looking, but we've got someone even scarier here. So we've got our beautiful friend, Casper, the not-so-friendly ghost, and he's a slithery friend of ours. He's what we call an albino olive python. We're just getting him out right now, and he is over, or nearly 3 meters long. Second largest snake in Australia, and we're going to let him have a cuddle with our contestants today. We're going to see, hopefully they'll all survive. If not, hopefully we got good insurance on here today.
Absolutely. Otherwise, it might be you and Casper going to Coldplay, Christian.
I am now officially the second biggest white snake in the studio.
You guys will work with plenty of snakes, I'm sure.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, here's the thing. We've even got... Casper's got his own special sound effect. So have a listen to this and welcome in Casper.
Casper, the friendly snake.
Come on, slithery little naked snake.
There you go, Casper. I know he doesn't have headphones on, but I'm sure that'll make him excited.
That is a big... How much does he weigh?
Oh, he can get up to 20 kilos. He's probably about 10 or 12 at the moment. That's how I stay so jacked. So you know, got to do the reps with the snake.
Better say your arms are bigger than Nate's.
Wow, this is... Okay, so I can see Casper just slithering his way around Christian's shoulders.
It's 3 meters, 20 kilos. It is a massive snake. Like,
Yeah,
massive.
So he's slithering around me, but hopefully soon he's going to go around the contestants, and we'll see if they want to have a nice scaly hug today.
Yeah, absolutely. As far as snakes go as well, good-looking snake too. He's a beautiful...
So albino.
Yeah, so he's an albino, so he's got beautiful white and yellow colours. He's like a banana smoothie, but being a python, he's completely non-hazardous, so he's not going to be full of venom or poison. The way that he kills his food, and I'm sure our contestants are going to be happy to hear this, he wraps around and he gives them big squeeze.
So hugs. He kills by hugs.
Exactly.
Death by snoo-snoo.
That's it.
Okay, all right. Christian from Raptor Reptiles Sydney, he's going to be out there next, and he's going to see if he can break any of our hug contestants in the ultimate hug-off as we near the 2-hour mark. Christian, thank you very much. You and Casper, you can head on out to the hug arena.
Sounds good. Let's give it a go.